by, it's 2 a.m., and you're still awake staring at the clock like it personally offended you. Sound familiar? You're sitting at your desk, phone in hand, laptop glowing, completely exhausted but somehow unable to sleep. This used to be me. But now, 10:30 p.m., water in hand, book beside me, and I actually fall asleep before midnight. And everything changed. Today I'm sharing the exact 7-step night routine that completely transformed my sleep, my focus, and honestly my entire life. The difference between the version of you that wakes up exhausted and the version that wakes up ready, it all comes down to what you do the night before. What if I told you that the hour before you sleep is the most powerful hour of your entire day? Most people waste it completely. Stay with me because every single step in this routine is simple, free, and backed by real science. No fancy supplements, no expensive gear. This isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about the problem. Most of us go to bed like this, scrolling Instagram or YouTube shorts until our eyes physically refuse to stay open. And then we wonder why we wake up feeling more tired than when we went to bed. We're studying but nothing is sticking. We're trying but our brain is completely fried. The average Indian college student spends over 3 hours on their phone at night. 3 hours, bye. That's not relaxation, that's brain damage on a slow drip. And every morning, when that alarm screams at 7 a.m., we hit snooze 4 times, drag ourselves up, and start the whole cycle again. Low energy in class, poor concentration during exams, no motivation to exercise. It all traces back to one thing: a broken night routine. And don't even get me started on late-night junk food. Eating chips at midnight isn't a treat, it's a direct attack on your sleep quality. So the question is, why does this keep happening? Why do we keep repeating this pattern even when we know it's hurting us? Because bad habits create a loop. Bad night leads to bad morning, which leads to low productivity, which leads to stress, which leads to, you guessed it, another bad night. But here's the good news: you can break that loop tonight, not next Monday. Tonight, take a breath. The solution is simpler than you think, and it starts with just one decision every evening. Here it is, the 7-step night routine. Each step takes just a few minutes, but together they completely rewire how you end your day. You don't need to do all 7 perfectly on day 1. Start with 3 and build from there. Progress over perfection. Ideally, this routine starts around 9:30 to 10 p.m. If you aim to sleep by 11, this gives you a full winding down window. Step 1, and this might be the most important one, is called the digital sunset. And it's exactly what it sounds like. 60 minutes before bed, you put your phone face down, and you don't touch it again until morning. That's the rule. No Instagram, no YouTube, no WhatsApp. Your notifications will still be there, I promise. Nothing burns down while you sleep. When you stop looking at screens, your brain starts producing melatonin, the chemical that makes you naturally sleepy. Blue light from screens literally blocks that process. Studies show that screen exposure before bed delays sleep by an average of 60 to 90 minutes. That's sleep debt you never fully repay. If you absolutely must use your phone in the evening, use blue light glasses or enable night mode. But honestly, just put it down. The first few nights feel strange. Your hand will actually reach for the phone out of habit. That urge? That's the addiction part. Push through it. Step 1 done. You've already done something 90% of people your age will never do tonight. Feel good about that. Step 2 is hydration and a light snack. Your body needs water. Even at night, dehydration disrupts sleep cycles and causes morning brain fog. Have one big glass of water around 9:30 p.m. Not a whole bottle, just one glass. Simple but powerful. If you're hungry, a light snack is totally fine. A banana, a handful of almonds, or a small bowl of curd. Foods that actually help your body wind down. What you want to avoid is heavy food, sugar, or caffeine. That chai at 10 p.m. is literally fighting against your sleep. Let that one go. Bananas have magnesium and tryptophan, both of which help your muscles relax and your brain feel calm. Nature Sleep Supplement. And it costs 10 Indian rupees. The goal is to feel light and comfortable, not stuffed, not hungry. That sweet spot is where great sleep begins. Step 3 is the one that changed everything for me personally, and it's called the brain dump. Grab a notebook and spend 10 minutes writing out everything that's floating around in your head. Every worry, every task, every thought. Think of your brain like a browser with too many tabs open. The brain dump closes all the tabs. You can't sleep well when your mind is running in 15 directions. Your journal should have 3 sections: what stressed you today, what went well, and what your plan is for tomorrow. That's it. Simple and structured. When you write down tomorrow's tasks tonight, your brain stops trying to remember them. It lets go. That's why journalers fall asleep faster. It's literally science. Don't write essays, write bullets. 3 things that stressed you, 3 wins, 3 tasks for tomorrow. It takes less than 10 minutes. When you close that journal, you are symbolically closing the day. You are telling your brain today is done. We can rest now. This single habit reduced my pre-exam anxiety more than any meditation app ever did. Give it 7 days, you'll feel the difference. Step 4, and this one sounds almost too simple, is reading a physical book for just 10 pages before bed. Not a PDF on your phone. Not an article. A real, physical book that you hold in your hands. The difference to your brain is massive. Just 10 pages. That's 15 minutes on a slow night. The goal is not to finish the book. The goal is to give your brain a focused but calm mental activity. Reading before bed lowers your heart rate, reduces cortisol, and shifts your brain from stress mode into rest mode. A University of Sussex study showed it reduces stress by 68% in just 6 minutes. And the beautiful thing? In 1 year of 10 pages a night, you finish 15 to 20 books. That's more than most adults read in their entire lifetime. When something great hits you, a quote, an idea, an insight, keep a small notebook nearby and write it down. Your future self will thank you. Close the book. Hold it. Appreciate the habit. Reading before bed is one of the oldest success habits in history. And tonight, it belongs to you. Step 5 is your hygiene reset. And yes, it matters a lot more than you think for your sleep quality. A quick shower at night does something remarkable. It actually lowers your core body temperature when you step out, which is the exact biological signal your brain needs to initiate deep sleep. Wash your face properly, not just water, actual face wash. Your skin repairs itself at night, and a clean face means better skin and a fresher feeling when you wake up. And yes, brush your teeth at night. I know you know this. I also know many of you skip it. Don't. Your future self's dental bill is listening. A little moisturizer goes a long way, especially in dry weather. You don't need a 10-step skincare routine, just the basics, consistently. When you're clean, fresh, and comfortable, you feel like you've genuinely taken care of yourself. And that feeling of self-respect? It carries into your dreams. Step 6 is the one that looks strange but works like magic. It's the 4-7-8 breathing technique, and it can put you to sleep in under 2 minutes. Sit or lie down comfortably. Close your eyes. This is your body's off switch, and most people have never found it. Breathe in through your nose for 4 slow counts. Feel your chest and belly expand. Don't rush it. Hold that breath for 7 counts. Stay still. Don't force it, just hold naturally. Your nervous system is already beginning to slow down. Now exhale completely through your mouth for 8 long counts. Let every bit of tension in your body leave with that breath. Repeat this 3 times. After 3 full cycles, most people feel a wave of drowsiness they didn't expect. That's your parasympathetic nervous system activating your rest and digest mode. After breathing, do a simple body scan starting from your feet and moving up. Consciously relax each muscle group. By the time you reach your shoulders, you're almost gone. Step 7 is optimizing your sleep environment, because where you sleep is just as important as how you sleep. Dim the lights at least 30 minutes before you sleep. Bright overhead lights tell your brain it's still daytime. Dim light signals time to wind down. Your room should be slightly cool, not cold, but cool. The ideal sleep temperature is around 18 to 21 degrees Celsius. Your body drops its temperature naturally during sleep. White noise, a fan, an app, or even soft rain sounds drowns out street noise and creates a consistent audio environment. This is a game changer for hostel or PG living. Make your bed look inviting. A clean, neat bed actually makes you more likely to get into it at a reasonable time. It sounds silly, but it works. Now close your eyes. You've done the work. The room is cool, the lights are dim, your breath is slow. Let sleep come to you. You've earned it. And then morning comes, but this time it's different. You open your eyes before the alarm. You sit up actually wanting to get up. It's 6:30 a.m., and you feel ready. Not dragged out of sleep, but finish with sleep. This is what 7 hours of quality sleep feels like. Most of us have never experienced it. 7 steps. All 7 checked off. And the beautiful thing is after 21 days, this isn't a routine anymore. It's just who you are. This is the before and after, not a physical transformation, a mental and energetic one. The same person, living a completely different life, just by changing what happens before midnight. Now it's your turn. Pick just 3 of these steps and start tonight. Not tomorrow, not Monday, tonight. If this helped you, subscribe, because every week I share routines, habits, and mindset shifts designed for exactly where you are right now. Good night, bye, sleep well.